Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to delete Google Play Store search history. Why would you want to know how to delete Google Play Store search history? Well, maybe it is your first time using Play Store and not sure how to delete Google Play Store search history. So today I am going to show you how to delete Google Play Store search history. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deleting Google Play Store search history is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for any Android devices. Let me show how you will delete Google Play Store search history. First of all, open Google Play Store in your mobile phone, and now here is my Google Play Store home screen. And then first click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then click on settings. Now tap on general and then tap on account and device preferences. And now scroll down this page and click on clear device search history, and then click on clear history, and your search history has been deleted. So there you go. If you were wondering how to delete Google Play Store search history, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.